Connecting your Oyster card to your Samsung wallet is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, ensure that your Samsung device supports NFC and has Samsung Pay installed. If you haven't already, add a debit or credit card to Samsung Pay that you will use for contactless payments. Make sure the card is issued by a bank that supports Samsung Pay. Open the Samsung Pay app on your device and follow the prompts to set up Samsung Pay. Add your payment card by scanning it with your device's camera or entering the card details manually. To pay for travel in London using Samsung Pay, simply hold your Samsung device near the yellow card reader at the start and end of your journey on buses, trains, the London Underground, DLR, London Overground, and some national rail services within London. Ensure you tap your device on the card reader both when you start and end your journey to ensure you're charged the correct fare. You can view your travel transactions and payment details through your bank's mobile app or online banking portal.